Hello, this is my new app, Samba Adapter. This is a app used to allows iris apps use Samba protocol. Samba protocol is a interoperability technology that allows you access, save, download, upload files into remote folders in the company. So I can map a folder in a server and access this folder through any computer in the network. And these computers can be Linux, Windows, any operating system that supporting Samba. Okay, so it's like FTP, but Samba is more integrated with file systems in Windows and Linux. So I created interoperability production to allows any application use Samba to post files, list files in remote folders. So to use this app, we need to clone. Okay, I will clone. And we got to test Samba. And we got to Samba tests. Cd Samba tests. Git clone. I will use VS Code to run the app, edit, see the files of the projects. Okay. Codes, dots. I will trust. Now I will open terminal to execute Docker compose builds that will build these two image services dockers services. Samba is a Samba server to store files, and our server is the production. Now, Docker compose up the share, and now we have iris and these ports. I will access local. Okay, system says user namespace. I need to set credentials. Samba credentials with the username and password for this remote Samba server. Okay, you can see this here. User Bob, password Bob's Pass, WD. Save. Now I need to open and run Samba production. We have in this production functionalities to create files, create folders, remote files, remote folders, delete folders, download files, and list files inside a folder. And these folders are remote in any server supporting Samba, like FTP. And we have a Samba business operation to do interaction with Samba. So I receive a file and use some business operation to send the file to Samba server. Okay, Samba server name in these ports. You accessing this share Bob drive. Share Bob drive. Okay. Now we'll test the app. I have having this app API Samba API to do the front end for my prediction. So this API will execute production functionalities, business services in productions. I will create folder, execute Samba create folder service. Okay, and we'll execute it now. So create folder. So requests. Local hosts. Local host. I can see the functionalities in my app here. Create folder. Help posts. Folder posts off basic systems body whole JSON folder name Samba folder, the name of the folder. Samba folder is a new folder in the server, Samba server. I will send. Okay. I can see the new folder inside Docker. Samba server MENT2 Samba folder, empty folder for now. And now I will create file inside create file. I need to form data. Select file, write file here, and select any file. I will select a cat. Okay, file gets create file inside Samba folder. Samba folder. Okay, posts. Okay, great. Send. File saved. And now Samba folder has a cat image. I will get this file. Downloads. Download file. Post. Download file posts. Okay. Download file. Wow, JSON. Samba folder. Samba folder. Okay. Get JPEG. Okay. Okay. Send. Yeah. I got it. Cuts from my Samba server, from a remote server. Okay. Very good. I can list files inside this folder. So to do this, go to list files. Samba folder. Cats. I have only one file inside this folder, cats JPEG. Okay, so using my interoperability production, you do anything in Samba folders, in remote folders, in your network, corporate network folders. Okay, I can see the messages here. Create file or list. Can say my service received from the API the requests for Samba folder and returned a list of Samba files. Okay, very good, no? Yes. So this is my app. Enjoy it.